In June, I'm flying from Australia to London to buy a Vespa. Not rent one, not join a tour, to buy one. And then I'm going to ride across Europe for 3 months. France, the Swiss Alps, Italy, maybe even Spain. No strict schedule, no bus tours, no support crew, just a small bike and a rough line on a map. Now it would be definitely easier to hire one and have this mapped out. But that's not really the point. I want to experience it properly, to cross borders slowly, to feel the air change, to ride into small towns most people drive past. This isn't about escaping life, it's about choosing adventure. I've been drawn to experiences that feel slightly uncomfortable, slightly uncertain, a little off the beaten track. That's where things feel real. Comfort can quietly make everything smaller. Adventure expands it again. This trip isn't about proving anything. It's not a midlife reset. It's simply choosing to explore while the window is open. I'll be documenting the whole thing. Weekly vlogs, cinematic travel pieces, photo walks through small towns, and conversations with people I've never met. I want this to be real. No luxury hotels, no curated highlight reels, just movement. Weather, roads, mistakes, and moments. Because it's slow enough to notice things, but fast enough to cross countries. It forces you into the world. You feel the temperature change, the smell the fields give off. You hear the engine working beneath you. It's freedom, but grounded freedom. I don't exactly know what this will become, and I'm okay with that. For now, it's a commitment to explore, to experience, to stay curious. 3 months, one Vespa, exploring Europe.